Today I'm going to do a little bit of filming, side-by-side comparison shots of the Holy Stone HS720e drone versus a Mavic Air 2 drone. You couldn't pick a better day for flying. It's got to be in the low 60s. The sky is almost completely clear of clouds. There's almost no wind whatsoever. It is a gorgeous, beautiful, sunny day. Perfect day to fly. And I'm gonna compare these two drones. Gonna post up side-by-side footage and see how their cameras compare. I'm gonna set them both to 4K video settings, and they're both gonna be recording to an SD brand, SD micro SD card. And we're gonna see how the footage compares. Here's the two drones. And I'm gonna strap the GoPro to my head and get ready to fly. First up is the Holy Stone HS720e. We're at the Powerhouse in Milford. Gonna fly up and around this thing. Take a look, see how it goes. Next up is the DJI Mavic Air 2. We're gonna fly through the same sequence that we flew the other drone through and see what the comparison is. I hope you like the side-by-side footage comparing the Mavic Air 2 to the Holy Stone HS720e. You know, I'll let the footage kind of speak for itself. The Mavic is obviously better, but at more than double the price. So for its price, the Holy Stone drone is a darn good drone, but it's no Mavic Air 2. So thanks for watching. Appreciate it if you subscribe, like, give us a comment. Thanks everybody.